Watch the legs on that one. Clear the belt, we got another load coming in. Keep them moving, keep them moving.
Hold the line for crate 12. Need verification on the weight.
It checks out. Resume flow.
The king crabs are moved along the conveyor system toward the veterinary inspection zone, maintaining a precise temperature of -71 degrees Celsius.
Scan complete on specimen 4B. Uploading vitals now.
Confirmed. Moving to 4C.
This one is showing lethargy, Doctor.
Agreed. Send it to the holding tank.
Here at the certification station, digital stamps are applied in quick succession, streamlining the process while ensuring every crate is verified. The automated diverters efficiently separate the unfit crabs, routing them to disposal bins while the main flow continues uninterrupted.
Oxygen levels holding steady at 9.2.
Temperature remains optimal. Adjusting the flow rate now. Keep them moving steady. Right, watch the heavy net.
Automated arms precisely lower the crabs into the stunning chamber, where controlled currents ensure a humane process before they move to the next belt.
As you can see, the automated pullers smoothly detach the legs from the torsos, diverting them to separate lines without halt. The king crab meat begins its journey in the brining vats, where precise salinity levels are constantly maintained for optimal preservation.
The ice glaze prevents dehydration and oxidation, ensuring the king crab maintains its premium quality from the tunnel to the table.
We aim for a flawless finish on every single shell that comes through here.
They look incredible. The gloss is perfect.
The QC lab utilizes advanced visual scanning to ensure every king crab product meets.
We've loaded the films. The trays are aligning automatically now, ready for the king crab. In the bulk area, forklifts meticulously stack the labeled king crab boxes.
Scan confirmed for the king crab shipment. Moving it to staging now.
Bring it back slow. All right, I've got the straps ready. Secure the left side first.
All right, king crab delivery, 5 boxes confirmed.
Perfect, if you could just sign here. I'll take this big one right here.
Very good choice. We'll get that wrapped up for you immediately. Yeah.
Thank you. Your total is 150 to 50. Come again.
Here are your king crabs. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much. We appreciate it.
The weather pattern is shifting near Dutch Harbor. We need to reroute the Kodiak shipments.
Confirmed. I've updated the delivery window for Tuesday.
If we input the new catch data, the forecast stabilizes.
Good, that confirms the upward trend for Q4 sales.
The texture is perfect, very succulent. We can move forward with this binder ratio.
Agreed. Let's brief the flow manager. Careful with the grip there. See how the leg bends? You want to support it underneath like this to keep the product perfect.
The biomass levels have stabilized, verifying compliance across all key performance indicators outlined in the assessment. Through advanced filtration and powerful pumps, the murky runoff is transformed into crystal clear, reusable water.
Main power synchronization is complete.
Readings are stable across the board. The system is fully operational.
This feedback on the freshness aligns with the shipment data.
I'm noting that for immediate review.
Assigning the follow-up now. These specialized king crab containers are precisely maneuvered, highlighting the synchronized efficiency of modern maritime logistics.
Bridge to refrigeration control. Aft hold 7 temperature is fluctuating. Increase cooling output by 2 degrees Celsius.
Acknowledge transmission.
We need to load this pallet immediately.
Confirmed. The doors are sealed. You can depart now.
Here is the king crab delivery.
Thank you. Thank you. The quality seems excellent. I will sign the receipt now.
2 king crab, rush the garnish. Yes, chef. Firing 2 more crabs now.
2 king crab on the pass, please.
Yes, chef. Heard. Picking up now. We are delighted to present the Alaskan king crab. Enjoy.
It looks absolutely exquisite. Thank you.
Wow, look at the size of these
Legs.
Absolutely perfect. Let's get them cut up.
Oh my goodness, this is the best batch yet.
You say that every time, but I agree.
We have to do this more often.
So iteration 3 clearly shows the shift in consumer preference towards sustainability. This confirms our strategy for the upcoming quarter.
The data clearly shows the bottleneck here in the freezing process.
If we reroute the flow, we save critical time.
Sequence initiated. All systems green.
The alignment is perfect.
Excellent work, team. We are officially online.
Everything looks to be in order, John. We can recommend recertification.
Excellent. We appreciate your thoroughness.
The data confirms a 20% increase in king crab production.
That's outstanding. We should move forward with the expansion plan.
I agree.